Alright, as you guys know, this is my 2005 VTX1800C Spec 3. I've got the Desmog done on it, and now I have a Cobra FI2000R on it. The pots are set at 2, 1, and 0. It seems to work out good for it. I'm getting about 128 miles right now to the tank, and the light just starts to come on, so for some reason it seems to be better with gas. I don't know why. It's already warmed up, so now I'll shoot a little video for the sound. It's not as windy as my last video, so hopefully it'll be alright. Sounds good. Sounds even better with the Cobra on it. I'm happy with it. Not popping at all in decel, so when I'm downshifting or anything, so it's great. Hopefully this video is good.